What is the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification? Now, many realtors out there will tell you a pre-qualification means that they've qualified you. They've looked at your tax returns, your pay stubs, your W-2s, and they've made sure that you're qualified. Google will tell you the opposite. Google will tell you a pre-qualification is something very informal, that they've looked at your credit and they're basing that decision off of the income you told them that you have. And a pre-approval is actually when they've dove into those details. As somebody that's been doing mortgages for 23 years, I think the two are synonymous. I think if you haven't looked at the person's credit, you haven't looked at their income, you haven't looked at the full transaction, you have no business pre-approving or pre-qualifying them to go buy a house. Don't waste their time. Don't waste a realtor's time. Don't waste your time. What does that mean? A pre-approval and a pre-qualification does not mean that you have a green light to close on a house. It just means that the lender should have looked at your income. They should have looked at your credit. They should have looked at the entire transaction and said, you know what? Based upon all of this, this looks good. This is something that a underwriter is going to approve. And at that point, they send you your pre-approval, you go out house shopping. Now, once that loan is approved or once your transaction is accepted and that loan goes into underwriting, there are going to be conditions needed from you. Bank statements, copies of earnest money, various things. Just think because you're pre-approved, it's not the end of the line. There's still a process. In fact, you're just beginning that process. For more questions on buying a house and how that process works, reach out to me. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching.